If you need to split a table in LibreOffice Writer, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. It's a really useful trick when you want to separate one large table into two smaller tables without rebuilding everything from scratch. Whether you're organizing a report, formatting a document, or cleaning up data, this can save you a lot of time. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy LibreOffice tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open LibreOffice Writer on your computer. Once it opens, load the existing document that already contains the table you want to split. Make sure you are working in the correct file, because the split will happen inside that document. Next, click inside the row where you want the table to break apart. This step is important because LibreOffice uses the selected row as the split point. So if you want the table to divide at a specific place, place your cursor carefully in that row. After that, go up to the top menu and click Table. This opens the table options for your selected table. From the menu, click Split Table. LibreOffice may then show you a prompt with split options, depending on your version and table setup. If you see a prompt, review the choices and select the option that fits your layout best. Then click OK to confirm. Once you do that, LibreOffice Writer will divide the table into two separate tables at the selected row. You'll now see that the original table has been split cleanly, which makes it much easier to edit, rearrange, or format each part individually. This is especially handy if you want one section to continue on a different page, or if you need to separate different categories of information. If the table didn't split exactly where you expected, just undo the action and click inside a different row before trying again. That gives you full control over where the break happens. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can split a table in LibreOffice Writer without complicated formatting or extra tools. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more LibreOffice tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.